The platitude "not your keys, not your crypto" has turned into an expression on the crypto side of the web as a look to keep away from incorporated trades and their custodial strategies. Yet, picking a decentralized wallet can be confounded. Trust Wallet was gotten up position be a straightforward stage for putting away digital currencies, with all clients liable for their own keys. It even planned its own Trust Wallet token to energize financial backers. TWT's decentralized administrations have seen a spike in prevalence after the destruction of FTX, a unified digital money trade. TWT soared over the $2 imprint and hit a 90-day high of $2.71. It has figured out how to keep up with this energy and was still up 86% throughout the last month at the hour of composing. Starting around the 28th of November, there was an agreement from some cost forecasts, including Wallet financial backer, that it could keep making gains. What is Trust Wallet token? Trust Wallet is determined to turn into the simplest to utilize digital money interface. Clients can send, get and stake cryptographic forms of money from their cell phone. The Trust Wallet site flaunts that clients can purchase Bitcoin in less than 5 minutes. The quantity of cryptographic forms of money recorded on the stage is a benefit to numerous financial backers. Investopedia said, the wallet upholds more than 1 million tokens, while permitting clients to buy a wide range of digital forms of money through outsider suppliers Mercurio, MoonPay, Incline Organization, Simplex, Transact and Wire. Its non-custodial methodology has likewise permitted Trust Wallet to stick out. Clients are in charge of their own keys and digital currencies. While this brings security benefits, the proviso is that assets are difficult to re-establish assuming the key is lost. Marking and acquiring choices are likewise given by Trust Wallet. It presently offers 12 unique coins with a yearly rate of up to 11%. Trust Wallet was established by Viktor Radchenko, who ventured down as CEO and walked 2022 to zero in on his loved ones. He was supplanted by Eowyn Chen, who was already the head of showcasing at Binance. Trust Wallet's utility token. Trust Wallet sent off its own token under the ticker TWT on the Binance Shrewd chain to empower and boost its clients. The Trust Wallet token was made to give these clients additional worth, and the undertaking noted there is no additional utility beyond the wallet's environment. Holders of TWT have casting a ballot rights over administration proposition. For instance, financial backers could decide on the new proposition to coordinate the Ronin and Land blockchain. The token can likewise be utilized to get limits while exchanging on its trades and making buys on its application. TWT was recorded on CoinMarketCap in late July 2020 at an initial cost of $0. Subsequent to fluctuating around this level for the following half year, it saw its most memorable significant meeting in February 2021. This began as it ran a rivalry with the OpenOcean aggregator. A sum of 5,000 TWT was available to all for those exchanging on OpenOcean. It kept moving throughout the next months as the local area was deciding on whether to coordinate the torrential slide token into Trust Wallet. The proposition passed with a 100% larger part and TWT arrived at a high of $1.30 on the 3rd of May. The Trust Wallet token flooded significantly higher sometime thereafter because of its non-fungible token contributions in August and being highlighted by an authority Binance Twitter account. TWT moved to its unsurpassed high of $1.65 on the 5th of September 2021. This came as TWT holders casted a ballot to mix it up of Ethereum Layer 2s, including Arbitrum, Phantom, Hiko, and Positive Thinking. The symbolic then plunged alongside the more extensive market in December and into the start of 2022. Notwithstanding, it had the option to beat this rut in spring when it recorded the ApeCoin, moving above $1 once more. To observe, Binance ran an exchanging contest with Trust Wallet. Financial backers purchasing cryptographic money could win up to 5,000 BUSD. It arrived at a pinnacle of $1.21 on the 5th of August 2022. A progression of other Binance motivator plans and projects with Trust Wallet have since been reported, including most as of late a cashback contest. Those purchasing digital currency and Trust Wallet by means of the Binance Associate stage were qualified to win 10 BUSD. The Trust Wallet token topped at $1.26 on the 31st of October 2022, however before long withdrew from this pinnacle. In any case, as brought together administrations have experienced harsh criticism following the liquidation of the FTX digital currency trade. TWT has areas of strength for made. Trust Wallet's decentralized methodology has caught the consideration of the crypto local area as it keeps away from the withdrawal and liquidity gambles with featured by FTX's breakdown. The digital currency wallet tweeted, like never before, it's essential to assist individuals with understanding the power and opportunity that comes from having your own self-custodial #crypto wallet. Thus, TWT soared in mid-November. In the wake of shutting at $1.44 on the 12th of November, it moved past the $2 mark the next day and to a 90-day high of $2.71 on the 14th of November. This ascent followed Binance President Changpeng Zhao commending decentralized wallets. He tweeted, "Self-guardianship is a key common liberty." The TWT flood likewise followed improvements inside Trust Wallet's item. The wallet sent off its own program augmentation, while likewise incorporating with Binance Pay and Coinbase Pay. Starting around the 28th of November, TWT had fallen marginally and was exchanging at $2.10. Notwithstanding, it was still up a stunning 86% throughout the last month. Trust Wallet Token Cost Forecast. At the hour of composing, there was an agreement among forecasters who have made a TWT coin cost expectation that it would proceed with its vertical pattern, anticipated that it should average out at $2.52 this year and $8.87 in 2025. Its Trust Wallet Token Cost expectation for 2030 proposed a most extreme cost of $30.15. TWT Crypto Cost Forecast said it was a satisfactory speculation and guaranteed it would have reached $2.22 in a year. Its Trust Wallet Token Cost expectation for 2025 anticipated that the token should have remained over the $2 level. A comparable gauge was given by whose Trust Wallet Token Cost expectation for 2023 searched at a greatest cost of $2.03. The site's most extreme valuation saw the symbolic passing $20 in 2029 and $30 in 2030. Said Trust Wallet Token could reach $2.29 this year. Its TWT cost forecast figured it could hit $21.33 in 2028 and $43.73 in 2030. While considering a TWT token cost forecast, it is essential to remember that digital money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Thusly, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and essential examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any speculation choice. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns, and never exchange with cash that you can't bear to lose. On the 28th of November 2022, there was a most extreme inventory of 1 billion TWT and a coursing supply of 416 million Trust Wallet tokens. Is Trust Wallet Token a wise venture? Trust Wallet Token is wanting to construct the simplest to involve stage for purchasing digital currency. Its TWT digital money gives benefits, as limited costs, on the environment. However, it has ended up being unpredictable. In digital currency markets, it is vital to do your own examination on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your speculation portfolio. Whether the Trust Wallet Token is a reasonable speculation for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you expect to contribute